My name is Tim, and I am the Senior Manager of BLUETTI. I am very happy to be here with you and present our new product. I'm sure you guys have heard about energy crisis of 2022. The supplies of oil, coal, and natural gas have been cut. And nations all around the world would respond by reducing their energy use. In late June 2022, Russia cut the supply of gas by 60%, which caused the energy crisis in Europe. That's when we posed the question, what can we do? Higher demand of energy in the winter and decrease of supplies push prices up. Some closed coal-fired power plants are reopened temporarily, and we don't know for how long, which begs another question. Can energy security be compatible with negative impact that will accelerate climate change? Worldwide, forests absorb 2.4 billion metric tons of carbon each year. However, coal-fired power stations emit over 10 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide each year as well, which equals 5 billion automobile exhaust emission. The gas emissions will accelerate climate change and even severe events all over the world, like glacier melting in Antarctica, wildfires, including Australia and the USA, and air pollution all over the planet. We do need a rapid reduction in greenhouse gas emissions to stop climate change. If we fail, the outcome is sad. The significant disruption in global supply caused surging gas and electricity prices. The energy crisis is what BLUETTI has been focusing on since 2019. Our solution is a minimalist, portable power station that can seamlessly integrate into everybody's life. We believe the answer for all of us is environmentally friendly, sustainable energy. BLUETTI's first products, EP150 and EP240, launched on Amazon in July 2019 and have been very well received ever since. A year later, the flagship model AC200 was released on Indiegogo as a crowdfunding project. With its lightweight body and solid performance, it gained massive support of you guys, rising nearly 7 million in 2 months. After that, we released the all-in-one high-power home backup power supply EP500, modular home backup power AC200 Max, and AC300 in a short span of 2 years. This September, BLUETTI launched a new crowdfunding initiative on Indiegogo for our most powerful modular portable power station with 5,000 watts of output, the AC500. And we have already raised over 10 million in just 2 months, supported by more than 4,000 people. Our goal is to become a new sustainable energy enterprise with global influence. We envision a world where all families own their power stations that are eco-friendly and cost-effective. In response to the 2022 energy crisis, we launch EP600 and B500. We built it to help all of us handle the severe energy crisis. This energy storage system is designed to run on or off the grid. It can be used both as an independent power source and an add-on to the existing on-grid solar system. With modular design, EP600's body is minimal and complete. Equipped with the 6,000 watts bidirectional inverter, it will enable you to run most household appliances. The B500, a tailor-made expansion battery for EP600, adopts 4,960 watt-hours ultra-durable lithium iron phosphate battery cells that are safe and long-lasting. Every EP600 supports up to 16 battery modules. It enables you to reach a total of 79.3 kilowatt-hour capacity, which can meet all power needs of a home or off-grid for days or even over a week. The EP600 supports up to 6,000 watts of solar input, which means it only takes around 1.5 hours to fully charge one B500. If you already have an on-grid solar system, you can easily integrate them into one giant powerhouse for optimal performance. The intelligent battery management system of EP600 will protect your backup power from anti-islanding, output overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, arc fault, cell over or under voltage, and overcharging or low temperature. Meanwhile, it will monitor the residual current and detect insulation resistance. The BMS improves performance, lifetime, and safety of the battery. Using the LiFePO4 battery with higher energy density, better thermal and chemical stability, EP600 series has higher charging and spatial efficiency. It is able to be used up to 5,000 times at 80% depth of discharge. What's more, LiFePO4 batteries are non-toxic, non-polluting, environmentally friendly. With 6,000 watts continuous output power, EP600 enables us to run multiple appliances simultaneously and even heavy-duty equipment, including air conditioners, heaters, induction cooktops, ovens, cutting machines, etc. As we are facing the worst cost of living in decades, with energy bills skyrocketing for both businesses and households, solar power will help us access sustainable energy while saving our wallets. In the morning, EP600 captures and converts the sunlight into ready-to-use solar energy. EP600's energy storage system combines solar and cheapest utility energy to maximize the use of clean power and reduce electricity bills. The electricity costs are high in the afternoon when the highest amount of solar intensity occurs. Connected to solar panels, EP600 has a 6,000 watt solar energy input. Fully charging the combo only takes 2.2 hours. What's more, the surplus solar energy output allows you to use the grid as storage while leveraging it for credits, minimizing your power cost. The electricity costs are the highest roughly between 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is called peak demand. With abundant energy reserves, the EP600 will take the place of the grid during peak hours, which makes economic benefits in the long run. The battery pack is equipped with a heating system that automatically works at low temperature, so the battery can be charged at even minus 20 degrees Celsius and normally perform during cold winter nights. In the event of a sudden power outage, EP600's UPS system will protect your valuable equipment by providing backup electricity as soon as after 1 millisecond. The high-capacity battery allows home equipment such as desktop computers, refrigerators, and TVs to run as usual during power outage. Use BLUETTI app. One tap to remotely control the EP600. Monitor the battery pack power, total energy of PV, grid, AC, and feeder by day, month, or year. Equipped with an IP65 rated heavy-duty aluminum alloy case, the system is protected from dust and scratching. The life cycle of this energy system will last for over 5,000 times. You might be wondering how much the EP600 energy storage system costs. The debut price of EP600 and two B500 combos is $8,999, and each extra B500 costs €3,599. These discounts will be only available from November 10th to December 31st. Today is the day. During the launch phase of EP600, you can reserve a set of EP600 and two B500s by paying a deposit of €1,000. After the order is placed, we will provide a customized installation plan for you. Installation can be started as soon as the end of November this year. By using the BLUETTI EP600 and B500 energy storage systems, you can save 400 kilowatt hours per month. If the cost per kilowatt hour is €1, you can save about 24,000 euros in 5 years. Unlike other home power systems requiring wall mounting, our backup power system will get to work once you put EP600 and multiple B500 battery packs together and connect all necessary cables and components. On-site installation service is available for EP600. If you order it before December 31st, 2022, you will receive a subsidized installation fee of €500. What's more, the EP600 comes with a 10-year warranty, so that you can use it worry-free. Feel free to visit our website BLUETTIpower.eu to learn more about EP600. It's a pleasure to be here with you, and we'll see you next time.
Save the Earth, save energy. How can we prosper in a sustainable way? Use more clear and renewable energy, like the limitless solar power. EP600 can be integrated into your home grid and offer flexible and economical power supply. When the sun rises, EP600 starts to catch solar energy and store it in batteries, along with low-priced grid power. Every time you wake up in the morning sunshine, EP600 is already up for the day. EP600 accepts 6,000-watt solar input to collect as much free energy as possible throughout the day. From high-powered motor, electric oven, to your EV, EP600 can easily handle them all without creating pollution. You can monitor EP600 with BLUETTI app, store cheap or free power at every chance, and use it in peak hours. EP600 system has enough capacity to run your house for a long time. All you need to do is enjoy happy hours with your family. EP600 is ready to help you through all unexpected emergencies. Whenever an outage occurs, EP600 boots up the emergency UPS mode immediately to take charge of your essentials in no time. Save the planet and your electricity bill is not just words, but a real daily move. A better future starts with BLUETTI.